Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today, September the 2nd, 2021, Nikola. Man, it's been a long time since I came through and did a price prediction in the market in Nikola. You guys can see where the price has gone. You guys can even see where we predicted. Got it. Cool. Easy. Now I wanted to come through, give y'all another price prediction update in the market for Nikola and see if, since the price has hit rock bottom, is that giving us a buy signal? And if there's anything else on this chart that is also indicating that the market is flashing that this is now a buy in Nikola, don't worry about it. I'm going to give you all the price prediction without being confused. I don't use technical indicators. I don't even do technical analysis. I use language analysis to understand where the market is trying to go. You can do that as well. So if you guys want to learn more, hit me up, join the team. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on whenever we upload our content to this platform. So now first, let me break down what price has done against our last price prediction, because you can see it. We told you all to expect the price in Nikola to go down right there on July the 5th. We were tracking the price in Nikola back on May the 6th to where the trend was higher prices. We broke that around July the 5th, and we expected that to happen. So for us to see the price in Nikola trade around $10.76, we're not surprised. We knew that that was on the table, especially since the price broke the trend. It's just that easy. It's just that simple. You don't have to become fearful and greedy and unknowing where you think price is going to go. The moment that Nikola broke this ascending line, it was free to go wherever it wanted to go down. Right? There wasn't no stoppage once that trend was broken. So at least 14.6% profitability in that prediction. And it really wasn't long for us to get that TP out the market from July the 5th to July the 14th. Right there. 14.6%. All right. Now to get out now, we'll be eating off of 34, almost 35% profitability. Just that easy, just that simple. Just depending on how long you want it to be in the play, right? That's it. So now let me take this away and let me show you the one indication that is giving us some information that the market is pretty much buying up Nikola right now, right? Yeah, whatever's going on with the CEO, the director of Nikola, great, cool, but the market doesn't focus in those type of events. It focuses in on supply and demand, period. If no one is willing to buy Nikola at $18, we're going to take the price lower. And if people are willing to buy Nikola at $10, we're going to hold support there. So this is what I'm saying. Let me show you all this. This is the 3-day time frame in Nikola, right? And look at this volume down here. Okay, look at it. A lot of volume has been coming through in Nikola, right? Starting right there from July the 30th, 2021, throughout the whole month of August, the price has been heavier than what we were going through back there in June. It started the whole month of July. The volume wasn't heavy. Now the volume is coming through. That lets us know that while price is trading around $10, $10.50, someone is buying it. Someone. It may not be you, but somebody is in this market buying Nikola, because if they wasn't, price would have already gone to zero. Okay, so it kind of lets us know that there's still some lifeblood in this market in Nikola. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you. Price charts don't lie. It is what it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this horizontal line right here, and we're going to follow and use this as our support. Okay, right here. Yes, there was a small stint, I give you that the price in Nikola traded below that line, but for the most part we came right back up and price closed above $10. So $10 is where market wants to hold support right now. Now again, we break $10 to the downside on weakness. Yes, I'm here to tell you the play is done. The market in Nikola may not even come back to life to see price break below $10 on weakness. I will give you that. But as of this moment, that's not the case. That is not being seen right now. Okay, so cool. We got support. around $10. Got it. But that doesn't mean that we're out the woods to shoot this ship up as a rocket, right? That doesn't mean that we're ready to see the price in Nikola hit $18, $20 again. No, it just means that we're stable. That's all. So take a look at the price here. Okay. Now, since we have found support right there around $10, where do you think restriction is? Where do you think the market price in Nikola will come back down? I'm seeing the first area already. It's around $11.60. You're like, how do you know that? Because the information here in the background has already determined that that is where market got support and rejected already. You can see it right here. We got rejected on this particular 3-day price bar, and the market in Nikola was holding support back there in May 2021. In April 2021, the market was holding that line as support. So that's where the decision is anticipated to be made. And after the $11.60, the next area would be up here around $12.80 to $13. That would be the next area. Okay. Simple, right? So now let's see how we ended out on the weekly time frame in Nikola. Okay. So yeah, by no means am I telling you that this market is extremely bullish in Nikola. No. But can we still eat off the move? We sure can. And that's our expectations. All right. So now let's see how we ended out the month. So even for the month of August, right? The volume was heavier than the last 2 months from July and June. We saw more volume come in last month than we did the last 2-3 months price bars. Okay. So the market is trying to come in and buy up Nikola here. Cool. Now the outcome could be for the long term, meaning in the next 2-3 months, price can still trade sideways and nothing happens. It could be a dead market and the market just continues to trade sideways into perpetuity seemingly until the trap is willing to break it out, right? We can see this go all into 2022. The market in Nikola just trades sideways. That's a very long time to watch this play, right? To keep your money locked up in Nikola that long. So let's do this real quick. Let's go ahead and run the play. Now, as long as price in Nikola is able to maintain $10, I'll even bring it down just a tad more, right? Because it's not exactly at 10. I'll do like $9.50. We can look for the market to go higher, okay? Or at best, like I told you, trade sideways. First area TP is going to be right there around $11. It might be a little bit shorter, matter of fact. This area right here is restriction. So I would just skim off very little profitability right there around $10.79. I mean 3.9%. May be worth putting on the play for that. All the way up to like $11.50, right? That's the first area. And then the ultimate area I told you all would be like $12.70. Okay, that's about 17% movement to the upside. That would be the ultimate price. But like I said, I'm not seeing that on the chart yet. Right now, the expectation is pretty much for Nikola to do this, right? Just trade sideways. And as that continues and we still see strength on the chart, then the market in Nikola breaking out of our first area of TP, which is around $11.50 to coming up there towards $12.70 is more likely to occur. But I'm not saying that that's going to happen yet. Just something I'll be on the lookout for. So that's it. I want to know, what do you all think about the price in Nikola? Just wanted to come in and give you all an update about this particular play, see what we're seeing on the chart right now. Now I want to know, what do you all think? Let me know. Make sure you drop me a comment in the comment section. That's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I'll see you on the next one and trade different.